What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a Snapchat account on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Some users may like to delete their Snapchat accounts entirely for privacy concerns or social media app addiction issues. To delete your Snapchat account on your mobile device, open up the Snapchat application and proceed to tap on the profile icon located at the upper left corner of your screen. In the profile menu page, tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Here, on the settings page, scroll down to the very end until you see the section labeled Account Settings. Under Account Settings, you will see several options, and one of these will be Delete Account. Tap on it, and you'll be redirected to the Snapchat Accounts portal page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat username and password. Afterwards, tap on Continue and confirm your action if prompted. Your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.